This is a second-hand Caterpillar CAT302.7 hydraulic crawler excavator. The CAT302.7 excavator is equipped with the original Yamaha 380 and B76 engine. The core components are all original. The bucket capacity is 0.20.7 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 2,670 kilogram. Power is 15 kilowatt. Boom swing function. Mini excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.